Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about alphabet. Oh no, where gone all my letters? Can you help me guys to find them? So let's start to find letters. I think letter are hide among these star box. Here we got letter P. P is for pig. Let's put it letter P right here. The next letter, Y. Y is for yacht, kids.
Royal luxury yacht, where artistry meets engineering, glowing like a palace.
Let's put it Y right here. Kids, please check what inside this ball. Now we got letter W. W is for watch. Let's put it right here. The next letter, X. X is for xylophone. Let's put it X right here. Something hide here, right? It's a letter Q. Q is for quail bird. Let's put it letter Q right here. Something hide here, right? It's a letter U. Kids, U is for unicorn. Corn. Let's put it letter U right here. Something hide here, right? It's a letter S. S is for snake. Let's put it letter S right here. I think, kids, one more letter is hide this many cubes. Yes, we got it. It's a letter O. O is for owl. Let's put it O after N. Now we need letter N. I think our next letter is hide among these cube, kids. Find the letter N. Yes, it's a letter N. N is for nest. Let's put it here after M. Right here. Let's see which letter is inside this. Now we get letter F. F is for fish.
When you want, call me when you need, call me in the morning, I'll be on the...
Let's put it letter F right here. I think our next letter is hide here. Yes, we got it. It's a letter I. I is for igloo. Let's put it letter I right here. Let's find letter G. Let's see, it's here, letter G. G is for grapes. Let's put it G right here. Let's see which letter is inside this nice. We got it. Letter L. L is for lamp. Let's put the L between K and M right here. Let's see which letter we get now. We get letter J. J for jump. Let's put the letter J right here. Let's see which letter is inside this. Oh, we don't get any letter. Our next letter is here, letter V. V is for vegetable.
Cabbage, cauliflower, potato, tomato.
Let's put it V right here. Let's find another one. We got it. It's a letter Z. Z is for zebra. Let's put a Z here. Let's open this surprising 2-egg. Which letter inside? We got it. Letter T. T is for tiger. Let's put a T right here. Let's see what is inside here. We got letter M. M is for monkey. Let's put it M right here. What letter is hide among these white bowl here? We got letter B. B is for ball. Let's letter B after A right here. Let's find another one. Now we get letter C. C is for cat, where we should put A, B, C, D. Now we need letter E. On this machine is coming with next letter. Let's see which letter is bringing us. It's a letter E. E is for elephant. Let's put letter E right here. I think more letter is hide here. Let's see. Yes, we got it. Purple color letter R. R is for rabbit. Let's put it here. I see one more letter is here. What's that? It's an orange color letter D. D is for dog. Let's put it here. Letters are hide this. What's that? It's a letter K. K is for kite. Let's put it letter K right here. Let's find more letter. Yes, we got it. It's a letter A. A is for apple. Let's put it at the first place of this puzzle part. What letter is hide among these white bowl here? We got letter B. B is for ball. Let's letter B after A right here. Let's find another one. Now we get letter C. C is for cat, where we should put A, B, C, D. Now we need letter E. On this machine is coming with next letter. Let's see which letter is bringing us. It's a letter E. E is for elephant. Let's put letter E right here. Letter H. H is for horse. Let's put it later. H right here. Kids, our all alphabet are completed. Let's read together one more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.